How to add payment method in Uber app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Uber app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on account at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on wallet. After you click on wallet in here, click on add payment method. After you click on add payment method, select what payment method you want to add: gift card, credit card, or debit card. Select the one you prefer, then add your card information, card currency, nickname, and then press on next. And after that, it will be added. This is how to add payment method in Uber app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.